Introduce yourself. What's your name? My name is Alice. Where are you from? I'm from London. How old are you? I am 32 years old. What do you do? I am a doctor. How are you today? I'm feeling good. Thank you. What languages do you speak? I speak Italian. What are your hobbies? Some of my hobbies are shopping, swimming and reading. Have you been learning English for long? Yes, I've been learning English for 2 years. Why are you learning English? I'm learning English to travel, work and communicate with others. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is language book. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have one cat. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken. Do you enjoy traveling? Yes, I love traveling and experiencing new places. What's the most interesting place you visited? The most interesting place I visited is historical place because I love to know history and culture. How do you usually spend your weekends? On weekends, I like to spend my time with my family and some shopping.